Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loop a song on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app, choose a song, then you can see here is icon. So go for it, click on it and again click on it. Then you can see this one and loop icon is on, and if I put this song here and go for it, and again you can see this song is playing again. So this is how you can loop a song on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.